Are you ready to transform your body and shed those stubborn kilos in just 10 days? Today, I'm sharing the ultimate weight loss miracle drink and a secret method using 5 powerful vegetables that will melt belly fat fast. Let's get started. Imagine waking up every morning feeling lighter, more energized, and confident in your body. Sounds amazing, right? But let's face it, losing weight, especially belly fat, isn't easy. Diets can be hard to stick to, and we don't all have hours to spend in the gym. Zoom in on drink. That's why this drink and these 5 vegetables are game changers. They're loaded with nutrients that speed up metabolism, flush out toxins, and help you shed those extra kilos effortlessly. Let's talk about the 5 superstar veggies that make this weight loss journey so effective. Cucumber. This hydrating vegetable is your best friend for flushing out toxins and reducing bloating. It's 95% water and packed with antioxidants. Spinach. Spinach is rich in fiber and low in calories. It keeps you full longer and boosts fat-burning hormones in your body. Carrots. These are a natural fat burner, loaded with vitamin A and antioxidants that help fight belly fat while improving digestion. Celery. Celery is the ultimate low-calorie vegetable with negative calories. Your body burns more calories digesting it than it contains. Lemon. Lemons detoxify your liver and speed up digestion, which is essential for burning fat efficiently. Now let's make the miracle drink that will turbocharge your weight loss. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, 1 handful of spinach, 1 carrot, 2 celery stalks, juice of 1 lemon, 1 glass of water. Instructions: chop all the vegetables. Add them to a blender with water and lemon juice. Blend until smooth. Voila, your weight loss miracle drink is ready. Drink 1 glass of this miracle juice every morning on an empty stomach for the next 10 days. Pair it with a healthy diet rich in whole foods, and you'll notice amazing results. While this drink works wonders, combine it with these simple tips. Snack on raw veggies like cucumbers or celery. Add spinach to your meals. Stay away from processed foods and sugary drinks. Stick to this plan, and you can lose up to 10 kilograms in just 10 days. Are you ready to start your weight loss journey? Let me know in the comments below. If you try this drink, share your results. We'd love to hear your success story. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural health and weight loss tips. See you in the next video.